Somebody in the forum said we couldn't simulate a rack and pinion. Want to bet? I can do one like this. Check it out. First, create a revolute joint around this part right here. No problem, that's easy. Do the same again, and this time, create a slider joint. Once you got that done, all you got to do is create a motion link between the two of them. A motion link relates the motions of one joint to the motions of another joint. In this case, the revolution and the slider. If you want to see it run, just open up a motion study. Click on that revolute joint and let it go from time point 0 at 0 degrees to time point 100 at 360 degrees, and then let it play. To be able to do this, you need to know the concepts and the commands, create motion studies, motion links, and joints. Good luck.